I thought I saw the face of an angel and I heard her speaking to me. She said, my boy, don't fill up your head with trivial things, 'cause life's too beautiful for you to leave. Just like periscopes up in the sky, but I have never seen a girl as beautiful as you in my whole life. And things don't always go the way you plan them, but if you're rolling with the flow, well then it makes it easier to bend. I give you kisses on your neck just like I always promised. You float into my mind like pictures of an earthly goddess. She said, my boy, don't fill up your heart with nothing but love. That truth is true to you is truth enough. Just like periscopes up in